Now we're off to Othello, where Tomas is finding out why Washington is the #1 producer of mint in the country.
Hey everyone, I'm standing here with Ken Schutte, part of Schutte Farms, and I'm standing in the middle of a spearmint field. It smells incredible out here. Tell me a little bit about Schutte Farms and what you do.
Well, me and my wife started farming in the middle of the 1980s. We farmed several crops, potatoes, sweet corn seed, garden beans for seed, and started growing mint in the late 80s.
Okay, so this is spearmint, correct?
Right.
And tell me, what's the process in harvesting these spearmint plants?
Well, this operation behind us here is a swather, and he's swathing them into windrows. And as we put it in that windrow, it needs to dry down for about 3 days. So we put it in that windrow because we're trying to get it to cure slowly. Just dry out a little bit, get some of the excess moisture out of it, then we'll come along with a chopper and we'll chop it, put it in some tubs, and take it to the distillery.
So tell me a little bit about this. So the oil is actually just sitting underneath the leaf, is that correct?
Right, you can actually see the oil on the bottom side of the leaf here. It sparkles on here.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
So it's not exactly even in the leaf.
It's not,
just
it's actually, when the plant starts to mature, when you have this bloom here, we know the oil is at kind of its maximum on the plant.
Just for fun, how many mint products can you name off the top of your head?
Well, mint isn't paint thinner, believe it or not.
Oh, I didn't know that.
If you want to take some permanent marker off, off your kids' toys, rub it with some peppermint or some spearmint will take it off. But, toothpaste, obviously, mouthwash, a lot of pharmaceuticals to mask the bad taste.
Oh, okay.
Have a little bit of mint in them.
So why here? I mean, what makes Othello such a great place to grow this?
I think we have long growing days. We're from 180 to 200 growing days here. So, and it's the footprint of this oil. Every area has its own little characteristics. This is native spearmint, and it has a certain characteristics that those companies want.
Once the trailers are filled with chopped mint, steam is pumped into those trailers in order to extract the oil. The steam then travels into condensers where it is cooled into a liquid. Now this liquid is half water and half mint oil. And as it cools in the receiving tanks, the water separates out and then the raw mint oil can be collected.
So there's the hot water.
Yeah.
And there's
the oil.
The oil. That's the mint oil. That's the harvest.
That's
what we're looking for.
That's the concentrated spearmint right there.
Woo!
Yep.
Wow. Can I taste that?
Yeah, just dab your finger in there just a little bit.
Is it super strong?
Yeah. It's not like eating a piece of gum or anything. Yeah.
Woo! Wow. That is just like I got hit in the mouth with a snowball. Well, Ken, thank you so much for showing me around. This was actually a really educational experience for me.
Good.
And it's neat to see that all this mint's coming right here from the heart of Washington.
It really is, in the heart of the basin.
The heart of the basin. I'll tell you what, next time I brush my teeth, I'm going to be thinking of you.
Good. That's great. Tell your friends.
Will do. Thank you.